We are living in a completely crazy time right now. And I don't say this lightly. Think about this for a second. You're sitting at home with your laptop. Maybe it's late at night. You open your camera, record a video, build a simple website, and just like that you can launch an entire business. This sounds normal today, right? But just 2 to 3 years ago, this felt impossible. Back then, if someone wanted to start a business, they needed a full team: developers, designers, marketers, salespeople, customer support. Even launching something small required money, connections, and manpower. A single person starting a serious business was extremely rare. Now, the rules have completely changed. And the reason is AI. In this video, I'm going to talk about a very specific AI business that you can start this year, even if you are a complete beginner. This video is part of my new series called The 1% AI Business. In this series, I break down AI businesses that one person can run using just a laptop or even a mobile phone. No office. No team. No huge investment. Before I tell you the business idea we're discussing today, let me play a short audio clip. Hi, I tried calling earlier but no one picked up. Sorry for the inconvenience. How can I help you today? I want to place a bulk order. Sure. Let me take the details. Now, if you didn't know better, you'd probably think this was a real human making the call. But here's the twist. This call was not made by a real person. This was an AI voice calling agent. And this is where things start getting really interesting. What are AI voice calling agents? AI voice calling agents are AI-powered systems that can talk just like humans. They don't sound robotic. They understand context. They respond naturally. These agents can receive incoming calls, answer common customer questions, book appointments, take orders, collect customer details. Basically, they can do almost everything a receptionist or customer support executive does. Let me give you a few real-world examples so this becomes very clear. Imagine a small restaurant on a busy Friday night. The staff is overwhelmed. Calls keep coming in for table reservations and food orders, but no one has time to pick up the phone. Every missed call is a lost customer. Now imagine that same restaurant with an AI voice agent answering every call, taking reservations, and confirming orders 24/7. Or imagine a doctor's clinic. The receptionist spends the entire day answering the same questions. Is the doctor available today? What time is my appointment? Can I book for tomorrow? An AI voice calling agent can handle all of this automatically. Or think about a real estate office. People keep calling to ask basic questions about properties, prices, and site visits. Instead of missing leads, an AI agent answers instantly. And here's the best part. This AI agent works 24/7, never gets tired, never asks for leave, never needs a monthly salary. That's why, globally, freelancers and startups are building and selling AI voice calling agents as a service. And this right here is the one-person AI business idea we're focusing on in this video. What you'll learn in this video. In this video, I'll give you a 5-step roadmap to start this one-person AI business. I'll explain which businesses actually need AI voice agents, how you can build these AI agents, what pricing strategy you should follow, how to get your first few clients, and how to scale this business in the long run. And I know why most of you are watching this video. You want to start something of your own. You want to build a real AI business, not just watch theory videos. So I want to help you even more. In the comments section, tell me any AI startup or AI business idea you have. I'll select 3 subscribers with good ideas, invite them to a Zoom call, and personally guide them on how they can start their AI business this year. Which businesses actually need AI voice calling agents? Now, this part is very important. Not every business needs an AI voice calling agent. If you try to sell this service to everyone, you'll fail. You should target businesses that meet 3 simple conditions. They already have a receptionist. Customers call them for simple questions or actions. Missing a call directly means losing money. Let me walk you through some ideal examples. 1. Restaurants and cloud kitchens. Restaurants receive hundreds of calls every day for reservations and orders. If no one picks up the phone, what happens? The customer doesn't wait. They simply call another restaurant. That's direct revenue loss. An AI voice agent ensures that every call is answered, every order is captured, and every reservation is booked. 2. Doctors and clinics. In most clinics, the receptionist's job is very repetitive, booking appointments and answering basic questions. AI voice agents are perfect for this. If a patient calls and no one responds, they don't keep trying. They call another clinic. That's lost business. 3. Salons and spas. Many people think salons in India don't rely on appointments, and that's partially true. But remember, you're not building a service only for India. Globally, people always book appointments for salons and spas. Missed calls mean missed customers. This is a global opportunity. 4. Real estate agents. People call real estate agents to ask basic questions and schedule site visits. An AI voice agent can handle these calls and pass qualified leads to the agent. 5. Local service providers. Electricians, plumbers, pest control services. Globally, people prefer calling and booking appointments. An AI voice agent ensures no lead is lost. These are just 5 categories. There are many more. Start thinking about businesses both in India and globally that lose money when calls go unanswered. How to build AI voice calling agents. To build these agents, you can use platforms like Vapai.ai and Make.com. Most beginners prefer Vapai.ai because it has ready-made templates, supports integrations like Google Calendar, CRM tools, and Notion. It's beginner-friendly. Start simple. For example, build a restaurant AI agent that only handles reservations. Write clear instructions. Choose a natural voice. Test it yourself. Ask friends to call it. Improve it step by step. Once it works perfectly, record a demo video showing a real call and a successful reservation. This demo will become your strongest sales tool. How to get your first few clients. In the beginning, you need direct action. Method 1, cold outbound. Use Google Maps to find restaurants, clinics, salons, and real estate offices. Collect their phone numbers, emails, and Instagram profiles. Then reach out directly, call them, WhatsApp them, or email them with your demo. This is the fastest way to get your first clients. Method 2, freelance platforms, Fiverr. Create a Fiverr profile and list your AI voice calling agent service. Yes, it's hard at first because you don't have reviews. But if you stay consistent and patient, clients will come. These 2 methods alone can help you get your first 10 to 20 clients in 3 to 6 months. Long-term growth strategies. Content creation. Document your journey. Share what you're learning. Post demos, client success stories, and AI insights on YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn. As your audience grows, people will start trusting you and reaching out on their own. Word of mouth. This will eventually become your biggest client source. If you do good work, clients will recommend you to others in the same industry. In B2B businesses, word of mouth is extremely powerful. Long-term vision. This is an amazing 1% AI business you can start in a few days. But since it's a service business, there is a limit to how much you can earn alone. To scale, hire more AI developers, build a sales team, turn this into a full AI agency. For now, your only focus should be learn AI agent development and start your 1% AI business. That brings us to the end of this video. Let me know in the comments if you're enjoying this series and which 1% AI business idea I should cover next. Also, don't forget to share your AI startup ideas. I'll invite 3 of you for a one-on-one Zoom mentoring session. I'll see you next week. Till then, keep hustling and keep making money.